Hey, so I did this really cool wrap this week when I was meeting with Miriam Mizagwi, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. This is only my second time doing it, and the first time I did it, I made a bunch of mistakes. So I'm going to try to not do them this time. It's I don't know if I'd call it a half wrap or like just a wrap with hair showing underneath, but basically what is important is tying your hair out of the way and not necessarily at the back. So I'm going to try it here because I made this mistake one time the first time. Now my hair really got in the way. So basically you're going to take a signature shaper. I have not yet tried this with a larger shaper, but basically it's kind of like you're wearing the shaper on top of your head with all the hair showing around and back. So you're tying it like this, and then you're going to put the shaper, you want it to be underneath the nape of your neck, but hair is hanging out and will be hanging out at the front too. I'm going to bring my ears out, don't have to, but you can see the shaper is going to make this style not move. Now, amazing coincidence, this watercolor 2-in-1 matches my dress perfectly, and thank you to Rivka for finding that. It's so, like, can you even get a better match? It's so cool. Anyway, so I'm basically going to do this kind of like regal wrap thing, but tied at the back over the shaper. And you can do this with any rectangle scarf. There you go. And then you're going to tie it, and this is why you want the hair out of the way. Tie it like so. Bringing up one end. And bringing up the other. There you go. And then just tying it at the back. You can tuck it or tie it. The ends are pretty short. I guess you could do this in kind of like a beginner's luck style also, with one end longer and one end shorter, but I'm just doing it in a regal wrap. Now the key is then bringing out your hair. And I guess what I did work, mostly. I suppose you could also, you know, if you want to bring out the hair at the front, you could do that. It's not really going to come out on the other side because I had it far back, but I guess it's out on this side and not out on that side, which is kind of off, but whatever. There we go. So that is the style. So it kind of gives you like the look of a little bun hanging down there, and it's basically like having a little hat on your head. Bye.